You don't know shit about cleansing.
Listen, you do not know shit about fuck, my man.
Cleansing sometimes gets a bad reputation, but it is literally a way to recharge, rejuvenate, and renew your body's systems.
I've got the power!
Whew. A cleanse does not mean you only eat grapefruit, drink sea moss, black seed oil, sip on water with cayenne pepper, or starve yourself for days.
I'm starving!
It's a way to eliminate toxins from your body using a blend of specific roots, herbs, sea plants, minerals, fibers, and spices that gives your body the nutrients it needs to detoxify and perform optimally. It's not healthy to have over-the-top restrictions when it comes to cleansing, as that's a perfect recipe for failure.
Ow!
Extreme cleansing methods can actually have more negative than positive impacts, such as loss of lean muscle mass, low blood sugar, electrolyte imbalances, and hair loss.
I'm a bold bitch.
So how do you cleanse?
I'm listening.
Well, first you eliminate potentially harmful foods from your diet before moving into consuming a healthy and natural raw vegan diet.
3, 2, 1, sing! Eating animals strong, McDonald's.
As toxicity builds up in your body, it becomes a walking vessel for disease. Once this happens, you can begin to experience symptoms such as excessive fatigue, weight gain,
your butt is wide, well mine is too.
digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut syndrome, constipation, and diarrhea.
No. You got more. Yeah.
Skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, acne, brain fog, focus and attention issues, mood swings,
It's science, people! Science! Science!
anxiety, and depression. And that's just the beginning.
In the beginning.
Oh no, I hear the Karens out there screaming, that's what the liver's for.
Fuck you!
Guess what, Karen? You are absolutely right. The liver is the super cleanser of the body. Its functions are to remove toxins from the body. However, your liver is only designed to manage a certain level of toxicity. And if the levels within the body go above the capacity that the liver is capable of managing, then you need to cleanse to remove the excess toxicity from your body.
You smart.
We also live in a world full of environmental toxins such as pollution, heavy metals, pesticides, food additives,
Did you put shit in my lunch?
and radiation. So the fact is that your liver is just not designed to deal with all of that. So shut your pie hole, Karen. I got this.
You don't know a damn thing, you fucking asshole.
Cleansing the body isn't exclusively about what you eat. You can additionally support your body in more holistic ways during your cleanse by doing the following. Take a sauna or steam bath. One of the ways toxins leaves the body is through your sweat. Barely anybody gets enough sleep these days. A detox is an excellent time to make sure you are getting all the rest your body needs. Exercise is an important part of the detox process. Get your body moving, your metabolism flowing, and eliminate those toxins.
Squat down, bend the knees, keep your back straight, hands on the knees, chin up, feel the power, eh?
The end of your cleanse is a perfect time to identify your personal problem foods and triggers. At this point, you should have eliminated caffeine, refined sugars, and carbohydrates, alcohol, meat, dairy, and gluten. And it would be counterproductive to go right back to excessively consuming these foods.
Look at all that cheese.
Instead, reintroduce foods one at a time and pay attention to how your body reacts. This is a great way to find out how different foods affect your mood, cravings, and energy levels. Maybe you have a cup of coffee in the morning.
Anybody want coffee? I'm making coffee!
And you feel absolutely fine. But 1 cup of dairy and you're too sluggish to exercise. Everyone reacts differently to foods, and this is your chance to personalize your healthy diet. Remember, the benefits of cleansing are not limited to weight loss. A cleanse will naturally boost your energy, rid the body of excess waste, decrease the risk of colon cancer, improve GI health, strengthen your immune system, improve your skin complexion, provide anti-aging benefits, and improve your general sense of well-being.
I'm beautiful.
The reality is, we live in an over-toxified, undernourished world and could all benefit from cleansing, which is why you should consider incorporating cleansing into your lifestyle. I'm 100% certain you'll be pleased with the results. That's all for today, everybody. I'm Alaska, your friendly neighborhood cleanse specialist. Like, subscribe, or follow for more holistic healing tips. You might just learn something. Bye for now.
Grapefruit!